How to show name when participants join on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show name when participants join on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here, click on it, and now click this one, meeting, and now all you need to do is just go down and then click this one, show name when participants join, and now click here if you want to turn it on. And as you see, the show name when participants join has been turned on, and just click if you want to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.